I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today I'm going to show you how to cut the perfect boat neck top out of a men's crew neck tee, making sure that it fits you and it's not too big. But before we jump in, be sure to follow me on social media and then subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get notified when I make new content. I make a new video every week. Let's get crafting! To start the boat neck, the first thing you want to do is fold your shirt in half. Mark with your chalk exactly where the middle of the shirt is. Start 4 fingers width away from the neck of your shirt and start cutting in. Cut in at a curve all the way until you get to your halfway chalk mark. Now, fold over and line it up. And this is what you'll use for the pattern for the other half. And there we have a perfectly cut boat neck. Stretch it out in order to roll the neck. And there we go. And now check out our boat neck top. I like this a lot better than the high neck that we used to have. I think it looks really nice like this, but if you'd like a little bit smaller boat, you can always measure in just 3 fingers from your original neckline instead of the 4 that I did. Thanks for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to cut the perfect boat neck top. If you gave it a try, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and then ring that bell so that you can get notified when I make a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Out of one of your... Nope. Men's crew neck tee. I think it looks really nice like this. Bye!